I think one more thing, City Football Group की बात हो रही थी. One more City Football Group won a trophy yesterday as well.
Yeah.
So Indian Super League, Indian football calendar has finally come to an end. जो हमारा सीजन था, up and down, बहुत कुछ हुआ. You know, एस्ट्रोलॉजी से लेके क्या क्या हुआ. वेस्ट इंडीज अफगानिस्तान से हार रहे हैं. बट फाइनली ISL का एक सीजन, लॉन्गर सीजन, फाइनली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मई तक चला, राइट. लाइक मई में अगर आपका एक फाइनल हो रहा है तो ISL ट्रॉफी का फाइनल हुआ बिटवीन मोहन बगान एंड मुंबई सिटी FC, जिनके बीच में शील्ड की बैटल भी था. प्रिटी ऑब्वियस. वहाँ पे मोहन बगान वन एट देयर होम एंड yesterday the attendance was 62,000. 62,007 people at Salt Lake.
Wow.
So it was a packed stadium and I mean Vishal and Shreya would know better than us क्योंकि they know the Kolkata football culture कि क्या होता है. तो it was amazing. Yeah. So उसके बाद and they even took a lead, 1-0 lead they were having, but Mumbai City had a revenge this time. They came with a plan.
The Islanders.
And they defeated 3-1. So they just shattered the hopes of 62,000 people there in the stands. They won the ISL trophy, fourth trophy since City Football Group has taken over, and 2 ISL trophies, 2 ISL shields. A great time for them as well.
I just want to say that Atletico de Kolkata reached 3 finals in ISL and won all 3. जब से Atletico de Kolkata का मोहन बागान के साथ मर्जर हुआ है, उसके बाद से मोहन बागान has reached 3 finals and lost 2, 1-1.
Wow.
East
मतलब
Bengal कब
problem
से टेबल में कहाँ थे, बट चलो कोई बात नहीं.
But
you still had one trophy.
United हमारा सब वही है कि सिटी नहीं जीतने, सिटी का टेबल वापस नहीं हो रहा, मोहन बागान वापस नहीं जीत रहा ये.
But one more crazy fact I just मतलब कल मैंने पढ़ा था, वो commentator was saying after the game. So there is a curse in ISL. So whosoever is the home team and they reach the final of ISL trophy, they have never.
Or they lose.
So it's been like the same. FC Goa versus Chennaiyin at Goa. Chennaiyin defeated them, doing a comeback. And they showed a lot of, like, Kerala was also there in one game. Mohan Bagan has been there now and before. So many teams have done that and they have lost all the games at home. So this is one curse that keeps on going.
So एक ही बार बस न्यूट्रल फाइनल, 2 बार न्यूट्रल फाइनल हुआ है, राइट, where we got Goa back to back years. One
COVID period only.
Hyderabad FC 1-1 and उसे पिछले साल भी.
Hyderabad, because the bubble thing, it was in a COVID bubble, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
Shreya went to watch
Hyderabad.
Sahil Tabora. Yeah. Anyways.
But man, amazing. But it's good to see that Indian football at least
Still all the 3 Kolkata clubs won a trophy this year. East Bengal, Kalinga Super Cup,
Yes.
ISL Shield to this Mohan Bagan and Mohammedan getting back to ISL from winning I-League trophy.
ये अच्छा भाई, मैं वही बोला था कि अच्छा हुआ कि इन लोग इस बार डरे नहीं कि IPL चल रहा है, नहीं आएगी व्यवस्था, पर चलने दो, मतलब मई तक खत्म, चलने दो, वैसा वाला ठीक काम किया इन्होंने.
62,000 fans during an IPL मतलब सीजन हो रहा है.
IPL में भी नहीं आता इतना ज़्यादा फैंस.
कोलकाता has shown कि उनकी लॉयल्टी कहाँ है, राइट. And although they lost, but still they showed.
Yeah.
Treble रह गया उनका यार. By the way, Durand Cup, ISL Shield and ISL Trophy. They say it's an Indian treble. वो उनका रह गया.